You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this French music producer. Yes, you've heard this correctly, French. That's going to become important in the pronunciation. If you want to learn more names from music and from French, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. In French, indeed, his name is pronounced in France. We say it as Mirwais. Mirwais, yes, so you've heard this right. Yes, I think in English there is a bit of a confusion and a debate whether it's Mirwais or Mirwais. Well, now you've got your answer. He says it Mirwais in French, therefore in English, the pronunciation of his stage name, Mirwais. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.